Today on Bake and Make, we're going to be making my tasty summer drink. Hello, my name is Jacqueline and I'm the owner of Bake and Make, and I'm really excited to do my first ever recipe with you guys. So what you're going to need for this video is going to be a cup. I'm using a cup with a lid and straw. And then you're going to need a little whisker like this, some ice, and some jam if you want to make your drink look fancier, but this is completely optional. And finally, your drink. I'm using cherry lemonade poppy, but if you don't have this, you can mix together water and the jam or just some drink. So for the first step, all you're going to need is your cup and your jam. And by the way, you can use whatever jam you prefer or like. So now you're going to take your spoon and just take one full spoon of jam or a bit less, however you prefer, and just put it at the bottom of your cup like this without trying to touch any of the sides. And now you can put your jam away because you don't need it anymore. Now after that first step, your cup should look like this with some jam at the bottom. Then you're going to take your little whisk and just put it at the bottom, soak it in the jam, like so. Then lift it up and press start, and the jam will spray around, like so. And then complete that steps for at least 4 times, or how many times you like. And after you're complete that step, your cup should look something similar to this. Of course, you will have some jam left on the bottom, but that is completely normal because we will mix that around afterwards. Then you can put away your little mixer because you don't need it anymore. And then we're almost done. All you need is to add your ice into your cup. After completing that step, you should look like this. Now I'm going to take my drink and just pop it open real quick. I'm going to let it sit for a little while just to make sure that the bubbles don't overflow in my cup, or else there won't be any space for the drink itself. Okay, now that I've let my drink sit for a little while and there shouldn't be as much bubble or confusion in it, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into my drink. It still bubbles up, but that is completely normal. Just let the bubbles cool down a little bit so that you can continue pouring. Now after pouring, my drink looks similar to this, and to get rid of the excess jam on the bottom, we're going to use our little mixer again. Okay, now for the final step, you're just going to put your little mixer to the bottom and whisk it to the bottom and trying not to hit the sides. And then here you go, my tasty summer drink. It's super refreshing, and poppy is also healthy, so it's both. Now you can enjoy your sweet little treat.